Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Cobol, where we will learn how we can utilize multiply statement with on-size error. Before we discuss this, we should know like what is on-size error because prior to this session, we have already discussed the on-size error with add statement and subtract statement, right? So we are just in the continuation of the same where we are going to talk about the multiply statement. I'll explain you what is on size error, why do we need on size error, and what would be the benefit if we are utilizing multiply statement with on size error condition. Okay, so what we will do, we will proceed in the same manner. Firstly, I'll walk you through the code. We will write the code. Okay, this time I have just noted down the basic thing, and other than this main logical part, we will write from scratch. Then we will see the output and understand why do we need the on size error condition with multiplies operation. Okay, but before we start the session, I would recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions, because there we have already discussed various basic thing, and you can check like each and every session is in proper sequence and sync. They are connected with each other, so if you follow them sequentially, then it would be really very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Okay, so I hope you can check out those sessions, and for now we are just focusing on the on size error part. So I'm taking option 2 over here for the TSC BPGM 70. Here you can see firstly we have specified the identification division block. Now what is identification division block? Like whenever you want to store the information related to program identity into source, then in that case we will utilize this identification division block. Under this identification division block, we have stored two information, which is program ID TSC BPGM 70 and program and author name. Author name is Session-70. Okay, so this is how you can put all the information related to your program identity. So this is only for like for my example, I just want to keep only these two fields in a program. But in your case, if you want to keep other information as well, then you can keep the same inside this identification division block. Okay, fine. Now just after this identification division block, what we are doing, we are initiating the comment line here. So you can see simply if I count it from here. So to start any comment line, what we can do, we can put the cursor on first position. From here you can count till 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. On 7th position, when you place asterisk, and after that whatever you will write will be considered as a comment line. So these three lines are a comment line, which is used to just to show you the output program name, which is multiply statement with on size error. Okay, so yeah, I think these are the basic thing. Now other things apart from this we will write from the scratch itself. So first thing we would need to declare is the variable, because for any demo we do need a variable. So let me show you how to declare the variable. So for that we will declare the data division block. So data division. Okay, under this data division we have working storage section. So working hyphen storage, working storage section. Okay, so likewise we will write. Fine, now it's time to declare the variable. So let's say I want to declare my first variable. So the first thing you need to mention here for variable declaration is level number. Okay, so let me put level number here in working storage section, under working storage section. So 01 level number, which is denoting higher data hierarchy. Then the variable name and data name, so profit 1. So whenever we want to access this variable throughout the program, we will use the same name. Then we will put the PIC, which is picture clause, and size of and data type. So size is 9 and data type is 3. Then I'm using value clause to initialize the value to this variable. So for example, I want to initialize the value with 50. Okay, we are good with it. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to create another example, another variable. So let me insert some blank line first. So I'll write here I20 to insert blank line. Okay, fine, we have got the blank line. Now it's time to declare second variable. So same thing, 0 1 level number, profit to PIC 9 of 3, then value clause, and here we will initialize the value with 25. Okay, so we have declared two variable, profit 1 and profit 2, with two values 50 and 25 initialized. Okay, now it's time to declare the third variable. So third variable will be declared with the help of level number 0 1, then result, and then PIC for picture clause 9 of 3, and then the value clause. For this variable we don't need value clause because we are going to store the output in it, so it's better to skip the value clause for now, and it's time to write the main logic of the program. So we always write the main logic under the procedure division block. So here I will write procedure division. Okay, procedure division. Under this procedure division we will write firstly let's print the value, actual value before any modification. So display, here I will write profit 1 value before any modification. Okay, then simply you can put if you want you can write like this with a colon, and here I will append the value which is profit 1. Fine, now we will display the second value which is for profit 2. So let me go here, display profit 2 value before any modification, colon, and then profit 2. Okay, so we have declared we have displayed two values just after the before the modification. Okay, just to show you the difference between before and after module. Okay, fine. Now after this we will use the actual statement which is multiply. So simply write here multiply profit 1 by profit 2, profit 1 by profit 2, and then we will write here giving result on size. Here we are writing the actual keyword which is on size error, and just after this we will write another display for displaying the message. So let's say I want to write here display overflow condition. Okay, so we have got the overflow condition here. So if after multiplying profit 1 and profit 2, if result, let's say if result size is 3, maximum 3 value it can hold, but if result goes more beyond 3, then in that case this on size error will occur and it will print this message, otherwise it will print the result. So let's print the result here, display result and then you can print the result value here. Okay, fine. Now if you look at the bottom, there we are using stop run to terminate the program flow. So I hope this logic is quite clear to you. Let's see the output and then I'll explain a bit about the process that we are using. So I just compiled the source and now I'm calling it. So once I call it, it shows profit 1 value before any modification is 50, profit 2 value before any modification is 25, and it shows overflow condition. That means overflow condition occurred and result is 0. Okay, all right. So what will happen, like if everything is okay and no error condition occurred, so in that case it will simply show you the output. So simply compile it and call it, and you can see profit 1 value is 5, profit 2 value is 2, and the output is 10. So it is working perfectly, right? So overall thing is that, like, whenever you are using multiply statement in order to perform multiplication operation, you multiply both the values, and if that values causes any size error, because here we are trying to store 4-digit value into result variable which can hold up to 3 maximum digit, right? So there is a difference, right? So in such type of difference, what will do, what it will happen, it will cause the on size error, and in that case it will print the message overflow condition. But if everything is okay, if result variable can accommodate the size properly, then in that case it will just simply go and display the actual result without evoking this line. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can utilize the multiply statement with on size error condition. I hope the session is clear to all of you, and in the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture.